Here it is, 2:30, and nothing really, just overcast. So that's about it. Everything's quiet and calm.